my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and I still have my scratchy voice left over from a little cold that I had, but you know what? We're here, we're doing it. I'm excited because I have some new makeup to open up. My Black Friday orders have started rolling in, and I was pretty good this year about getting gifts or like big things for my house that I needed that I wanted to get a good sale on. But I also took this as an opportunity to try out some new brands. Well, new to me. It's not like they just popped up for Black Friday, but they're new to me. So today we're talking about Ace Beaute. Is it Ace Beaute or Ace Beaute? Do you know? I don't know. Maybe it says it on their Instagram. Let's go look. Ace Beaute. That's what it says. It says on their Instagram, Ace Beaute. I love it. Okay, so Ace Beaute, here we go. Now, I do have their, I think it's the Quintessential palette. That's the only product that I have from them, but I did order two things. First is the Flare palette. I've had my eye on this palette for literally a year. I spoke about it in my 9 brands to try in 2019 video. I talked about wanting this palette specifically. It's very pretty. I love this mix of jewel tones and bright colors. There's some warm, there's some cool, there's something for everybody. So I finally took the plunge on the Flare palette. But the thing that I'm really most excited about is this. This is their Black Friday exclusive mystery box. And I've done some mystery box, mystery bag type of videos in the past, but I always got them from brands like ColourPop where I have freaking everything they've ever released anyway. So I felt like this was the perfect time for me to try out a mystery box because prior to this order, I only owned one of their palettes, now 2 because I have the Flare palette. So I guarantee you that I don't already have everything in here because I don't really have much from this brand at all. So for this mystery bag, I paid $45 US and it says that it's $150 value. So I'm pretty excited to dig in here. Let's see what I got. Okay, let's see what's in here. This is the first thing. It's this big, like long rectangular box. It says Glitz. No idea what's in here. Oh, it's a brush. It's one of these like paddle style brushes. I'm not really a huge fan of these. They're really pretty. I just prefer like a traditional brush. But this is the G06 brush. Looks like it would be good for foundation, concealer. You could probably do a little cream contour, cream bronzer with it. I definitely don't already have it. It's the Glitz brush. I mean, that's a nice thing. That'll look pretty in pictures too. The Instagram brain. Here we have some lashes. We have this little box with some lashes. Ooh, these are very dramatic. Also not a big lash girl, but that's okay. Their packaging's really nice. Yeah, it says these are the Calliope lashes, and then I also got the Chloe lashes. Ooh, girl. So these are the Chloe lashes. Dang, those are some thick lashes. All right, okay. We have some nails. These are little press-on nails. These are really cute. It says they're hassle-free and reusable. The style is Ice Queen. I usually just paint my own nails, but unlike the lashes, these are something that I would actually be able to use. So, you know, we might have to try these on. Yay! Okay, this is the first thing that I'm like really pumped about. These are the Glimmer shadows. I saw these on the website when I was ordering for Black Friday, but the colors that I wanted, aka these colors, were already sold out. So this is the shade Iced Latte. Obviously, my first thought was these look like Super Shock shadows, and they feel like Super Shock shadows. Oh, so I got Iced Latte. That's that color. Very pretty coppery color. And then, yay, this is the other one I wanted. This is Cotton Candy. A nice, pretty, bright pink. Looks like it might have a little gold shift to it. All right, I'm really excited about this. I wanted to try these. Maybe I should do like a Glimmer shadow versus Super Shock shadow and see how they compare. I don't know. Does that sound interesting? Somebody's probably already done it. Anyway, that's Cotton Candy and that is Iced Latte. Got a couple things left in here. It looks like 2 palettes. The last thing is just bubble wrapped. It looks like 2 palettes wrapped together. Ooh. Yay. Okay. Okay, I'm excited. There are 2 eyeshadow palettes in here. This is amazing. First is this smaller palette. This is the Grandiose palette. Their packaging is just beautiful. This is gorgeous. Obviously, I don't already have this. This is just a yummy warm tone dream. Wow. Super beautiful. Very excited about this. I'm kind of happy that I opened the stuff that I'm most excited about last. This is so pretty. I actually almost ordered this as well. Wow. Packaging on point. This is the Paradise Fallen palette. Wow, just look at that. Look how pretty that is. Oh, it's gonna be some yummy purples in here. Ooh. All right, beautiful. So here is inside the Paradise Fallen palette. This is gorgeous, royal purple, very cool tone, very smoky vibes. Definitely something super different for my collection. I'm a lot more of the like warm tones kind of girl. So this is definitely adding something valuable to my collection, and my very limited experience with their eyeshadow formula is very, very positive. So I'm excited to try this as well. Yay. That was fun. All right, so I'm gonna go on to the Ace Beaute. I can't get over that. I'm never gonna get over it. I'm gonna go on to the website and total up the retail value of all these items and see if we got to the $150 price point, and then I'll be back to share my findings. All right, I'm back now. I got the prices of everything. The Glitz brush is priced at $9.99. The Calliope lashes are $14.99, and the Chloe lashes are $16.99. I had no idea how much money I was saving by not wearing false lashes. I feel like that's expensive. I mean, I know you can reuse them. I'm not saying they're priced too high or anything. I'm just always surprised by how expensive false lashes are. Then the press-on nails also surprised me. The Ice Queen set is $19.99. Again, I know that this is a reusable product. I get it. I was just a little, you know, surprised. Anyway, moving on. The Glimmer Shadows, so the duo with Iced Latte and Cotton Candy, is $25. Definitely more expensive than ColourPop, but this is a little indie brand. I know, I get it. I'm not saying their stuff's priced too high. Just surprised. Then the Grandiose palette, so the little warm-toned one, is $24.99, and the Paradise Fallen palette is $34.99. So, does this add up to $150? Not quite. It's close. It's really close. The total value of all these items is $146.94. So the roundup, I'll give it to you. I'm definitely not upset or disappointed. I'm really excited about this entire mystery box. Even the things like the lashes that I'm personally not going to use, I'm going to love either including those in a giveaway or just giving them, passing them on to a friend or a family member who will wear them, and knowing that I basically, as far as I'm concerned, got them for free, because the things like these palettes that I really wanted, I feel like that's what I paid for, and I got what I paid for. That's the thing with these mystery boxes, mystery bags. You never know what you're gonna get, and not everybody is gonna be pleased by everything. So as long as you go into it knowing I'm probably gonna get at least a couple things that don't really fit my style or aren't something that I really would have chosen for myself, then, you know, it's a fun time. That's the way I look at it anyway. And when I was just looking up the prices of these products, they still had some mystery boxes left on their website, even though when I bought it, it said it was a Black Friday exclusive. It looks like they still have some. So if you're interested in this, go and check out their site and see if maybe they still have a few left. At least now you know sort of some of the awesome stuff that you might get if you did decide to purchase one of these. Now's the time when I want to hear what you think about this mystery box. Do you think I got a good value? Are any of these products exciting to you or something that you've had your eye on? I always love to hear what you guys think about things too, so make sure you leave a comment down below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Oh boy, this is really stuck in here. Thing in this is this a bag or a box? It's a bag. They said mystery box, but it's a mystery bag. That's okay. Great. Yay. Good one. Does anybody else just continually apply lip gloss? Like you look in the mirror and you're like, it's still pretty glossy, but I'm gonna put some more on anyway. That's me. Oh, yay, okay. What was I saying? Oh, yeah. Awesome. So good at this. I don't know what else to say. Probably shouldn't say anything because I barely have a voice. It's fine. I'm fine. Oh boy. She's fading fast. Okay. Okay. $25 for 2 of these. Holy crap-a-moly. Maybe I shouldn't do a comparison because if these are like Super Shock shadows, yikes, these are way more expensive. Super Shocks are what, like $6 now? These are really cute though. Keep out of reach of children. You should keep all your makeup out of reach of children. What does that even mean? Also, these are made in China and the ColourPop ones are made in the USA. Not that I have anything against makeup that's made in China, just it's cheaper to make stuff in China. Anyway, who even knows what I'm rambling about at this point? No one? No one else? Okay. That's my cue. Bye!